Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the bolt by turning it counterclockwise.
Okay, we're just going to show you, this is on that speaker. You have to push the red tab out like that, and then push the tab here to remove it. There is kind of some Velcro on the bottom of the speaker, but essentially we can just kind of pivot it down like that and just kind of slide it out of the way.
Remove the wing nut.
Turn this counterclockwise to remove it.
Remove the lining by prying it back. Remove the wing nut. Disconnect the bulb housing.
Push the red tab in, and then push the tab on the top here to remove it. This little panel here needs to pop off, and really we just need to pry this off like that.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Now you can replace your housing with a new one.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back in place. Reconnect the housing.
And then just make sure that you push the red tab on the top in like that to lock it.
Replace the wing nut. Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the wing nut. Reconnect the housing.
And then just make sure you push the red tab in to lock it.
Replace the bolt by turning it clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.